Hello and welcome to our video on the 10 worst foods for diabetics. If you or someone you know is managing diabetes, you understand how crucial it is to maintain stable blood sugar levels for overall health. Effective diabetes management heavily relies on making smart and informed dietary choices. In this video, we'll walk you through the foods that are best avoided if you're managing diabetes. We'll cover what can potentially disrupt your blood sugar control and offer some healthier alternatives along the way. Before we jump into our countdown, we'd love for you to join our community. Please give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated with all our latest diabetes-related health tips and insights. Now, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is a familiar item in many kitchens: white bread. While it's a common choice for sandwiches and toast, it's not the best option for those with diabetes. White bread is made from flour that's been heavily processed, removing most of its fiber. Fiber is really important because it helps slow down how fast sugar gets into your blood. When you eat white bread, your body quickly turns it into sugar, causing your blood sugar to spike suddenly. This is something people with diabetes have to be careful about. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition actually showed that eating a lot of refined grains like white bread can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, what can you do? A good move is to swap out white bread for bread made from whole grains. Whole grain bread has more fiber, which is better for controlling blood sugar and keeping your digestion healthy. Sliding into number 9 on our list are fruit juices. Now, you might think they're a healthy choice because they come from fruit. But here's the catch. Even without added sugars, fruit juices are packed with natural sugars. And for someone managing diabetes, this can be a bit tricky. When you eat whole fruits, you're getting fiber, which helps slow down how quickly your body absorbs sugar. But when fruits are juiced, most of that fiber is removed. So, what you're left with is a lot of sugar that your body absorbs fast. This can cause your blood sugar levels to rise quickly. Even though these sugars are natural, they still have a similar effect on your blood sugar as the sugars added to sodas and other sweetened beverages. That's why it's usually better to eat the whole fruit instead of drinking its juice. You still get that sweet taste, but with the benefits of fiber to help manage your blood sugar. Remember, when it comes to diabetes, the way you choose to consume your fruits can make a big difference. Moving on to number 8, let's talk about sugary cereals. These breakfast favorites might be tempting with their bright colors and sweet flavors, but they're not the best choice if you're watching your blood sugar levels. Sugary cereals are often loaded with added sugars, and unfortunately, they usually don't have much fiber. Here's why that's a problem. When you eat something high in sugar but low in fiber, your body absorbs that sugar really quickly. For people with diabetes, this can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Fiber is key because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, giving your body a better chance to manage those sugar levels effectively. So, while a bowl of sugary cereal might be a quick and easy breakfast option, it's not doing any favors for blood sugar control. A better choice would be cereals that are low in sugar and high in fiber. They might not be as flashy or sweet, but they're a lot better for keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Managing diabetes is a lot about making smart food choices, and understanding what's in your breakfast bowl can have a huge impact on your health. At number 7, we're looking at flavored yogurts. Yogurt often has a reputation for being a healthy food choice, but here's the thing. Many flavored yogurts out there are actually packed with sugar, and if you're managing diabetes, that's something you really have to watch out for. It might be surprising because yogurt can be a great source of calcium and protein. However, when it comes to the flavored varieties, the amount of sugar added can be quite high. Eating foods high in added sugars can cause your blood sugar levels to spike, which is exactly what you want to avoid if you have diabetes. This doesn't mean you have to give up on yogurt altogether though. A good alternative is plain yogurt. It doesn't have the added sugars that the flavored ones do. And if you find plain yogurt too tart for your taste, you can sweeten it naturally. Try adding some fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey for a bit of natural sweetness. This way, you get to control how much and what kind of sweetener is added. So, next time you're at the store, remember to give those yogurt labels a closer look. Opting for plain yogurt and adding your own toppings is a small change that can greatly help you manage diabetes. Landing at number 6 are fried foods. These include favourites like French fries, fried chicken and donuts. While they're certainly tasty, they're not the best choice for managing diabetes. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats, which can have several negative impacts on your health, especially if you're dealing with diabetes. Here's the problem with fried foods. They're often cooked in oils that are high in saturated and trans fats. Consuming these types of fats regularly can lead to weight gain. Now, weight gain is a concern because it can increase the body's resistance to insulin, which is a key hormone in regulating blood sugar. For someone with diabetes, insulin resistance makes it harder to keep blood sugar levels under control. Moreover, the high fat content in these foods can contribute to inflammation and other complications associated with diabetes. So, while that basket of fried food might be tempting, it's better to opt for healthier cooking methods. Baking, grilling, or steaming your food can be tasty alternatives that are much friendlier to your blood sugar levels. Remember, managing diabetes effectively means being mindful of not just what you eat, but also how your food is prepared. At number 5, we're talking about dried fruit. Now, fruits are generally a healthy choice, packed with vitamins and fiber. But when it comes to dried fruits like raisins, dried apricots, or dates, there's a bit more to consider, especially if you're managing diabetes. During the drying process, the water is removed from the fruits, which concentrates all their natural sugars. This means that even a small serving of dried fruit can have a high amount of carbohydrates and sugar. For someone with diabetes, this concentration of sugar can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which is something you want to avoid. It's not that dried fruits are bad. They still contain nutrients and fiber, but they're just more sugar-dense than their fresh counterparts. If you do enjoy dried fruits, the key is moderation. A small handful can be a part of a balanced diet, but it's important to keep an eye on portion sizes. Another tip is to pair dried fruits with a protein or fat source, like nuts or cheese. This can help slow down the absorption of sugar and prevent quick spikes in your blood sugar levels. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about processed snacks. This category includes items like chips, crackers, and many other packaged snacks. While they're often convenient and tasty, they're not the best choice for managing blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. The main issue with these processed snacks is that they're typically made with refined flour and added sugars. Refined flours are processed in a way that removes most of their fiber, and fiber is essential for slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Without this fiber, the carbohydrates in these snacks can quickly convert into sugar, leading to rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels. Additionally, many of these snacks have added sugars to enhance their taste. This only adds to the overall carbohydrate content, further exacerbating the potential for blood sugar spikes. It's also worth noting that these snacks often have a high glycemic index, meaning they have a more significant impact on blood sugar levels compared to foods with a lower glycemic index. If you're looking for a snack, consider opting for whole food options like fresh fruits, vegetables, or nuts. These natural snacks are not only nutritious, but also have fiber and healthy fats that can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. At number 3, we have soda, particularly the non-diet varieties. Soda is one of those beverages that's really high in sugar, and unfortunately, it doesn't provide any nutritional value. This makes it a less than ideal choice for those managing diabetes. The main issue with regular soda is the high amount of sugar it contains. Drinking soda can lead to a quick and significant increase in your blood sugar levels. This is because the sugar in these drinks is in a very simple form, which gets absorbed into your bloodstream rapidly. For someone with diabetes, managing the rate at which sugar enters the bloodstream is crucial, and consuming foods or beverages that cause rapid glucose increases can be problematic. Moreover, the calories in soda are often referred to as empty calories. This means they provide energy but have very little nutritional value in terms of vitamins, minerals, or fiber. Regular consumption of high-sugar drinks like soda not only affects blood sugar control, but can also contribute to weight gain over time, further complicating diabetes management. If you're looking for something refreshing to drink, water is always the best choice. Infusing water with fruits or opting for herbal teas can also be delicious, healthy alternatives to soda. Number 2 on our list brings us to full-fat dairy products. These include items like whole milk, cream and cheese made from whole milk. While dairy can be a good source of calcium and protein, the high levels of saturated fats in full-fat dairy products are something to be cautious about, especially if you're managing diabetes. Saturated fats can exacerbate insulin resistance, which is a condition where your body's cells don't respond as effectively to the insulin hormone. Insulin is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels, so when your body is less responsive to it, managing blood sugar becomes more challenging. This is particularly concerning for those with diabetes, as maintaining stable blood sugar levels is key to effective diabetes management. Choosing low-fat dairy options can be a simple way to reduce your intake of saturated fats. Products like skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and low-fat cheese provide the same essential nutrients as their full-fat counterparts, but with less saturated fat. This can be beneficial for maintaining better insulin sensitivity and overall heart health. And now, the number 1 food on our list that diabetics should be cautious about is candy and sweets. It's probably no surprise that these treats are at the top. Loaded with sugar, high in calories, and often packed with fats, candies and sweets can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels, making them particularly challenging for individuals managing diabetes. The main issue with candy and sweets is their high sugar content. Consuming these foods can lead to rapid and significant spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes are exactly what someone with diabetes needs to avoid, as maintaining steady blood sugar is crucial for managing the condition effectively. In addition to sugar, many sweets also contain high levels of fat, particularly saturated fats, which can exacerbate issues like insulin resistance. Plus, the empty calories in these treats contribute to weight gain without providing any beneficial nutrients. For those with a sweet tooth, managing diabetes doesn't mean you can never enjoy a treat. The key is moderation and careful planning. Opting for small portions of sweets on special occasions, choosing treats with less sugar, or finding recipes for diabetes-friendly desserts can help satisfy sweet cravings without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. That wraps up our countdown of the 10 worst foods for diabetics. By being mindful of these foods and choosing healthier alternatives, you can play a crucial role in managing your diabetes and leading a healthier lifestyle. Managing diabetes effectively is all about making informed dietary choices, and we hope this list helps guide you on that journey. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with friends, family, or anyone you know who might benefit from this information. Managing diabetes is a shared journey for many, and spreading awareness is key. We'd also love to hear from you. Share your experiences and tips for managing diabetes in the comments below. Your story could inspire and help others on their path to better health. Stay healthy, and remember, we're here to support your health and wellness journey. Be sure to catch our next video for more health and nutrition advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.